A quiet tropical wave can turn into a mandatory evacuation order within a couple of days here. And Hampton Roads sits low enough that flooding is often the bigger risk. Knowing your flood zone and evacuation zone before a storm even has a name changes how much time you have to prepare. Clearing drains and building a supply kit before the season gets busy makes the difference when a storm actually lines up on the coast. If water still finds its way inside despite the prep, getting it out and drying the structure quickly keeps a bad storm from becoming a much bigger loss. Chesapeake homeowners who call fast after storm water gets in usually come through with the least damage to deal with afterward. Storm water getting into your Hampton Roads home? Call us 757-982-3921